The emergency alert system has been activated. Please tune to channel 30 for emergency details. The National Weather Service in St. Louis, Missouri has issued a tornado warning for Cole County in central Missouri until 7:20 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:38 p.m. Central Standard Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. Locations impact they include Jefferson City, Taos, and Honey Creek. Take cover now. Move to a basement or storm shelter. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris,